Do not laugh. Do not giggle. Do not even let out a tiny snort. This is the ultimate test of your straight face. If your lips move even an inch, you are officially disqualified. Think it's a piece of cake? Think again. 99% of people burst into tears laughing. Only the chosen 1% with nerves of steel make it to the final second. Are you a legendary statue or a giggling mess? Let's find out. We have 3 levels of pure chaos: Rookie, Master, and the absolute impossible level. The clips get weirder, the drops get funnier, and temptation is everywhere. One single chuckle and it's game over. Hold your breath, lock your jaw, and let the madness begin.
Cara de cobra, mete a bola, cara de cobra.
Wow, you actually survived round 1 with a completely stone-cold face. I'm genuinely shocked. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button to prove you are not human. But wipe that invisible smile off your face, because the real trouble starts now. No smirking, no raised eyebrows, and absolutely no heavy breathing allowed. This is where most people completely lose it. Can you handle the chaos of the pro level? Let's find out.
يلا شكرا جزيلا شكرا نخابرك فيما بعد.
Ой, бля, это что за дилдоходы, ёбаный в рот, вот на...
Estoy cansado, jefe. Cansado.
Unbelievable! You made it past the pro level? You must have a heart of stone! Welcome to the danger zone. But don't start celebrating just yet. The ultimate nightmare awaits. Welcome to the final frontier. Completely savage and unpredictable. Only the elite 1% survive this round without breaking down. No pauses, no second chances. If you crack a smile now, it's all over, and your flawless streak goes straight into the trash can. Do you really think your straight face is unbreakable? It's time to prove it. Let's do this.
Estoy cansado.
हे प्रभु हे हरि राम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद ये क्या हुआ गलाव में पानी आ गया गामछा भी खुल गया मेरा
was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you if you fall.
¡Hola, Cano! ¡Cano!
احمد ايه؟
لفني شوي بس
ننزل بالرجل التانية ومفروضة افرد معايا. ايوه
آقا siz زور
الو
على بالك.
Wait, did you actually make it to the very end without laughing? No way! That is absolutely legendary! If you survived this entire video with a straight face, you are officially a master of self-control. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now to join our crew! Drop a comment saying, "I am unbreakable" if you won, or let us know exactly which clip made you lose your mind. Catch you in the next challenge! Thanks for watching.